In a dramatic twist within the Zimbabwe's ruling party ZANU-PF, Secretary for the Women's League, Chinomona, has set his sights on the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's position. The move marks a significant escalation in the party's internal struggles. Aiwa takuona kuti panapa Chinomona aizongobuda pachena, aimboda kuzombovanda-vanda, aimboda kumbonyara-nyara, but izvezvi azongobuda pachena akati aiwa vakura munoda kuvareplacer. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda nyogwa noti wasubscribe, like, or turn on the bell. Kutipinda mudzimu amunhu muchinzi. Reports suggested that President ED Mnangagwa is backing Chinomona's bid as a strategic maneuver to sideline Chiwenga. The ongoing factional tensions within the ZANU-PF are increasingly influencing the party's dynamics, with Mnangagwa seemingly leveraging Chinomona's ascent as a way to consolidate his own influence and remove a rival. Panapa vanoendera mberi tichiona Chinomona achipiwa an opportunity yekukira out a campaign. Tinopinda muna mumwe muchinzi Chinomona's intentions became more evident following a notable political event on Wednesday. During a gathering in Chinoi, she engaged with the party members from Mashonaland West, where she only reinforced her political presence but also underscored her commitment to women's empowerment. In a symbolic gesture of support, Chinomona distributed 5,000 roadrunner chickens to local women, a move intended to bolster her standing within the party and demonstrate her dedication to the ruling party's social initiatives. Domashwa tiri kuona kuti aiwa ava kutokera out macampaigns. Tiri kuona kuti anonodonata kuti anonopa aiwa vakadzi kuchinoi 5,000 maroadrun akati aiwa tora zvatakuona kuti akutoendera mberi aiwa kwajenerari taona kuti vakomana ava kutomuvha ine bid yototi vatokonsolidata power. Toziva mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section medu. Subscribe or like.